you will not be eligible in the Treeverse Play to Airdrop if you do not know this criteria. Why am I saying this? Because no matter how many hours you grind, but if you fail to meet their criteria, you will still not be eligible for their Treeverse Play to Airdrop rewards. So what is the criteria? There are 3 categories in their Play to Airdrop rewards, which are active users, skilling masters, and leaderboards. But take note guys, all are required to have at least 1 NFT to be purchased for campaign eligibility. So even if you are an active user or a skilling master or in the top leaderboards, but if you don't have this NFT, sorry to say that you will not be eligible in the Treeverse Play to Airdrop rewards. So for active users, you just complete 1 daily quest and it will give you 100 points daily. And as for the skilling masters, your character must reach minimum level 30 and max out all skills to level 60, such as mining, fishing, and lumbering. For the leaderboards, it will be based on the endgame dungeons, gold XP, and monster shards collected during the Treeverse Play to Airdrop campaign, which is only for top 20% of the users, weighted rewards to the top. So their Play to Airdrop will last only 21 days and it will end on May 18th. Now that at least 1 NFT is required, where can we purchase that? So just go to sale.treeverse.net, and here's the disclaimer, NFTs cannot be used on iOS due to store regulations. Do not purchase if you can only play on App Store. So if you only have an iOS device, sorry to say that you are not qualified for their Play to Airdrop rewards. So you just have to purchase at least one of these SBTs. You want more Web3 gaming guides and tips? Just follow me and turn on your notifications. Stay tuned for part 2.